Hey guys, Mark again. For my classes, we have been learning these four very important words in English for connecting ideas in sentences. We have because, so, but, and although. And today we're going to talk about the differences between, right? Because, so, but, although. So if we start here, right here, I have a sentence about you. For you, you are watching this video because you want to learn English. At least I think that's true. I think you are watching this video because you want to learn English. Here I use because I'm giving a reason. Here, I'm watching this video because this is the reason that you watch the video. Right? I'm watching this video because I like the teachers at ULC, right? Maybe you like us, so you watch the video, right? That's your action. I'm watching this video because I haven't seen these words before. Because, always, think about the word why. Why watch? Oh, because I want to learn. Why study? Because I want to speak to other people. Why come to Singapore? Because I want to see the Merlion, right? All of those, the why, or as we say, the reason for something, okay? If you go on, we have the word so. Sometimes people think these are very close, but the idea is different, right? For this one, I say, I want to learn English. This is my goal, right? What I want to do. I want to learn English, so this is your desire. Want to learn, so what action do you take? So I'm watching this video. Or I want to learn English, so I'm studying at ULC. I want to learn English, so I'm trying to make friends from other countries. Okay? You have this idea and you have the result because of this, right? What result? I want to learn, so I blank. Okay? If we keep going down, we have two contrast words. In English, contrast means to compare two things, right? We have compare. Contrast means usually like this, where there's a positive thing, liked this video, positive thing, but then you didn't subscribe. What's happening, right? If you like this video, you should subscribe. But here we have a contrast, not the same. I liked it, but I didn't subscribe, right? I like sushi, but I don't like sashimi. I like Singapore, but I don't like America, right? You show some contrast, some opposite. Same here, right? Same idea here with the word although. Although is also used for this contrast, right? Again, we have the liked the video, didn't subscribe. Okay? Or here, didn't subscribe, liked this video, right? Showing that contrast. And be careful with these, but we need to put in the middle of the sentence. I cannot put but at the beginning of the sentence. That would be very strange. But for although, you can put although at the beginning or in the middle of the sentence. Although I liked this video, I didn't subscribe. I didn't subscribe, although I liked this video. Showing that contrast. So I hope that helped you guys. As always, I would love to see you use this grammar below to double check if you understand. Try to show some type of contrast. Maybe a food you like, a food you don't like. Try to show a reason or a result that happened in your life. I'm trying to become a better teacher, so I'm studying grammar, right? So on that note, I'll see you guys next time. Have a wonderful week.